This is the super simple setup. It's just a pedal board, no head, solid state action. To begin with, got the VHD by SNK pedals. That is the preamp of the Ampeg VH140, classic 90s solid state amp. And for power, we've got the Seymour Duncan PowerStage 100. That powers two cabs, usually a Marshall and a Vader. Just two effects in the effects loop, or between the pre and the power amp. We have two Decimator noise suppressors, one just after the Overdrive and one just before the effects, so we don't cut off any trails of the reverb or delay. Use this occasionally to get that effect of sucking the bass and the high end out on guitar only parts. Obligatory overdrive, it's got to be done. SD1 has got really good drive, really good crunch. Just makes this thing scream. Under the preamp pedal, we just got a Fender power supply powering the pedals. Super simple rig, great fly rig, no hauling around a fucking amp. And of course, to complete a solid state metal setup, gonna need that to go to some EMG 81s on the Xiphos. Let's hear it, eh?